It's that time of the year for a Halloween party. So let's draw a Halloween cupcake treat for the party. I start the drawing by creating a stalk of a pumpkin. It almost looks like a box with the bottom side missing. At the bottom left side of the stalk, start to draw the outline of the pumpkin. You can start at the right side if you like. It does not matter. Notice at the bottom of the pumpkin it is drawn with a wiggly line. There is a reason for this. The pumpkin is not a real pumpkin, but is in fact a piece of candy shoved into the icing on top of the cupcake. Remember, your lines do not need to match exactly as I have drawn. My drawing is for guidance to help you create. Following the drawing, draw 2 triangles for the eyes. Because this is a piece of candy decoration, the mouth is drawn simple with 2 teeth on the top and 1 smack in the middle on the bottom. Now I will draw the clump of icing that is on the top of the cupcake. It is drawn like a cloud floating on the cake portion. Remember, you can design the icing any way you like. No one puts icing on a cupcake the same way. I love how your drawing is coming. This is looking so delicious, I can't wait to finish it. You are more than halfway finished. All we need to do is draw the bottom of the cupcake and color it. Below each side of the icing, draw a curved line as seen in the drawing. Now we are ready to make the bottom part of the cupcake. See how the side line slopes down to the bottom, goes to the other side, and then up to the bottom of the curved line. Simple lines can create an entire cartoon picture, which is why cartooning is so fun. From the ends of the curved lines, draw lines downward. They do not need to be straight. Connect the 2 curved lines with long dashed lines. See the drawing for a better idea of what is being said. At the ends of the dashed lines, draw lines to the bottom line. Don't worry about keeping them straight. In fact, it is better if they are not. The only thing is to make sure the lines do not cross over each other. All that is left now to draw is the tiny pieces of candy sprinkled onto the icing topping. I like to make them different sizes. I can tell you're a real artist. The very final task to do is color your drawing. Color it the way you feel. Again, as with all my drawings, I color mine to give you an idea of how it can look.